In this video, we would like to just show you what the Superdome is about and why we've designed it. The fully pre-assembled Superdome comes in a compact, non-woven bag for easy storage before and after season. It is longer, wider, and taller than most of the other domes in the market. So if you set it up like this, you have a long 10-foot dome for growing your vegetables and lettuce. The Superdome easily unfolds like an accordion. The heavy-duty loops are made from 1/8 inch, 4mm thick rust-free stainless steel to give enough strength in harsh weather. Each Superdome includes stainless steel earth pegs to fix the snail overlap. This overlap has been specially designed so that snails and slugs don't harm your crops. The tunnel has 2 fixing ropes at either end for stabilization and 2 side doors with zippers for easy access for watering and ventilating your crops. The dark green lighting strips have been designed to prevent too much sunlight penetrating the tunnel on very sunny days. After the season, the Superdome can be easily stored away in the carrier bag it came in. BioGreen wishes you a lot of fun with growing in the Superdome.